I need you to tell me, how on earth did you win that blood case down in Stafford?
Ooh, that was a good one. Yeah, so in this case, they used a blood test instead of a breath test. Now, most people look at that and they think, "Oh, it's a blood test. It's bulletproof, and there's nothing that we can do." But that is actually completely not true. In fact, blood cases in some situations can be easier to win than breath testing cases because there's so much information that you can get. So what we did, like we do in every single blood case that we have, is we actually subpoena the records for the gas chromatography. That's the process they use to test your blood. So we use the subpoena power of the defense to get all these records from the Department of Forensic Science, and the return that we get is like this thick. And as it turned out, on page 40 something, 50 something of there, we learned that the machine itself had been calibrated within the 6 months, but there was a significant repair to that machine after it had been calibrated, and they didn't calibrate it after that. So the bottom line is that left any results that were generated by that machine not admissible because they weren't in line with Virginia requirements. So we were able to keep that test out, and because the guy, he didn't do badly on his field test, his driving behavior wasn't terrible. So big fat not guilty.
I love those kinds of wins.